Off goes Bubba. Bubba is dressed as a firefighter. What a nice helmet. Oh, Bubba is watching us play with toys. Here comes Bubba, faster and faster. Oh, hi, Bubba. Do you want to play with us? Bubba can play too. Hey, wake up. Hi. We have to go right now. Someone needs our help. Bubba is watching. Bubba is a good firefighter. B for Bubba. Oh, the firefighters have to go down the pole.
That is so fun!
And now the other firefighter is going down the fire pole. Bubba can spin too. One firefighter and two firefighters. Into the truck, and Bubba is watching. When I push this button, the lights come on and the sirens play. Oh, time to go. Here go the firefighters off to the rescue mission. Bubba is coming too. Snoozer is pushing the fire truck. They are going to save the day. Oh no, the man is stuck. Here comes Bubba. Bubba is coming to help the firefighters. He is going really fast. Bubba has arrived. The ladder goes up, and the firefighter saves the man.
We are going to save him!
The ladder goes down, and the man is brought to safety.
We did it! Yay!
The firefighters are back in the truck. The man is safe. But what is this? Bubba is riding on top of the fire truck. What are you doing on top of the fire truck, Bubba? It looks like Bubba wants to ride with his friends. Off they go. See you later. The day is saved. It's time for Bubba to go to bed. Bye-bye, Bubba.